Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jason with 3D Matter Makers. I just want to do a real quick update that I was watching Joel, the 3D printing nerd, earlier, and I saw he put out a video stating that Creality has actually released the source code for the CR10S. Now, I know that he called for a lot of thanks to Naomi Wu. I would also like to extend my gratitude to Naomi for doing all this hard work and working with Creality. I'm glad things are moving in the right direction. I also noticed that according to 3D printer GPLoffenders.com, that Zonestar is also off the list. So as a result, I will also be following in turn and removing my GPL Offenders thumbnail from the video that I did last week talking about the GPL violation. I will, which is great because now I can actually go back and do follow-up reviews on my Ender 2 and on my Zonestar. So that is fantastic news. And to top it all off, my wonderful wife has said since the GPL right there, since the source code has been released, she has cleared me to go ahead and buy the Ender 3 too. So I'll be buying the Ender 3 so I can get a review in on that one also. And we will move forward. And that's great news because we all know that the Creality series printers are fantastic printers and they're great prices. And I'm really glad they did this because I really wanted to stand behind them. So I'm glad that they've done this. Thank you again to Naomi Wu for all the work you've done, and everybody else. Thank you for coming together as a community and making this happen and putting the pressure on Creality. I'm going to be doing a filament review this week, so we will do a filament shootout on a whole bunch of different filaments, PLA and PETG. And then hopefully the following week I can come back around and we can finally do that follow-up review on the Ender 2. I'll get my order in for the Ender 3. And then we'll also do a review on the Zonestar coming up. Alright, just a quick note. Thank you all, and I will catch you all this Sunday, I guess. Thanks.